Hi, PaolaJo from SederQuilts with a Quick Tip Tuesday for you. The question often comes across for new long arm quilters. So how big does the back fabric have to be? Can it be basically the same size as the quilt top? No. The answer on that is no. We're going to show you quickly why. And we keep winding it up and we keep winding it up, and by the time you get to the end, there's been a lot of winding up here. It's kind of like a magazine. All the layers start out the same, but as you start to wind it up and wind it up and wind it up, pretty soon the layers are no longer equal. Now, granted, with a quilt, there's only 3 layers. There's the top, the batting, and there's the backing. But you need the backing to be bigger than the top because of the wind. The other reason you need to have the quilt back bigger than the quilt top is that you need a little bit of wiggle room. You need a little room from side to side. So for the next quilt back, if you need to add just a little more size to the backing, rather than adding an extra frame, an extra border all the way around, it would be much better to cut the back somewhere, not in the middle, but kind of a third or a quarter of the way in. Just make a slice and add a strip.